Presenting the 2006 Hummer H34WD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, auto-dimming rearview mirror, automatic headlights, traction control, power outlet, front reading lamps, aluminum wheels, and bucket seats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.